Have you ever found it challenging getting your steps in throughout the day, trying to figure out what's the benefits? In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 benefits to why you should be getting at least 10K steps a day. Here we go.
There's more to life than this. Just go for it.
Step number 1, discipline and mindset development. I know it's hard at first to start doing steps in the beginning, whether you're just getting up and just moving, walking around doing 2K steps, 7K steps, but the reality is just start. Get up, get moving. From 3K steps to 5K steps to 7K steps to 10K steps. As long as you're progressing incrementally, that's all that matters. This can apply to anything in life, to be honest. The more that you slowly, incrementally move up in anything, whether it's your steps, whether it's progressing in your fitness journey, eating healthy little by little, just exercising, being in the gym just for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, that's all that matters. As long as you're getting it done. Progress will be slow, but at least you're doing something. But first, let's define discipline. I always believe that discipline is greater than motivation. Discipline is different than motivation. Discipline is doing a task even when you're not even motivated to do it. Just get up, do it, and start. Eventually, those habits of discipline will become second nature to you in anything that you do. And my second benefit is heart health. As you get older, for me, I'm already in my 30s, and believe it or not, I know 30s is still kind of young, but when I wake up, everything hurts, believe it or not. So thinking about heart health is very important. Getting your cardiovascular activity is very important. So 30 minutes a day to an hour, just getting your steps in will benefit greatly. Some tips to getting up and moving is if you work a corporate job, intentionally park far from the office so you can walk, get those steps in. Grab walks in between meetings, during your lunch hour, after you eat food. By walking 10 minutes after every meal, you're getting your digestion flowing. You're getting that food moving in your body and your stomach, and that will help your digestion. Grab a friend or a furry friend. This is my furry friend, Jordan. What's up, buddy? Grabbing a furry friend or a companion will help motivate you to get out there and go, and at the same time, develop great connections with your friends and your furry ones. Have them tag along with you, because it's good to also have companions with you when you're walking. So benefit number 3 is the health benefits. For me, when I'm walking outdoors, I get that vitamin D3, getting the sun, it improves my mood. I feel amazing. My stress and anxiety is gone. Well, it goes away. And just being out in the sun is just amazing. And it feels good on my skin. I get that good tan. Get the good tan. So the reason why you're probably here is because also the reason of weight loss. So it's been proven scientifically that if you walk 7K steps a day, you can lose about 2 pounds a month. Of course, if you increase that to 10K and you be on a strict calorie deficit, I usually lose about 1 to 2 pounds a week doing 10 to 15K steps a day, sometimes 18,000 K steps. So get your steps in. You don't have to be doing crazy and high intensity cardio. You can just be doing steady state, less training, low intensity, and that's all that matters. Get up out of your seat, get up out of your bed. Let's do them steps. And I hope this video motivates and inspires you today. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you found value in this video, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe onto my YouTube channel. Follow for more content. Have a great day. I'll see you guys soon.